Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, allow me to give you a tutorial on how to use CapCut templates. So here I've already on my CapCut and I'm gonna show you the tutorial. So at the CapCut, you just need to click on the template button at the bottom, and here are the list of templates that you can choose on CapCut. For example, I want to use okay, I'm going to click on this ones right here. So this is the template. You can just browse over to find the templates that you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so just click on the use template icon at the bottom and choose the video that you want to use at the template. I'm going to just choose a random video. Okay, and then click on next, and after that you'll see the result of the video. You can also change the clip, or you can also adjust the clip in here. Just click on the clip, whichever clip, just click on edit, and then you can just replace and or you can also adjust the volume. For example, I want to, okay, I'm going to crop it, and you can also adjust which part of the video that you want to use. Click on confirm. Okay, click on edit again, click on crop, and then you can just go like this. And when you're done with your editing, you can just click on export, and then click on export without watermark to download the video without a CapCut watermark in it. Just export. Okay, so that's the basic on how you can use templates on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.